Right. So what it is doing is we have created one variable, a normal variable with the value 10. Another variable I have created, but this is a constant variable of value y. The variable is y, and the initial value of this is 20. What I am displaying, I am just displaying the value of x by adding 10. Okay. And actually the value of x has not been changed. So what I'll do is I'll just update the value of x by doing this x plus plus. If I'll do that, the value of x will become 11. Okay, let's run it. Okay, but it is displaying value of x plus x will do. So first it will increase it and then it will display it. Yes, now it is, you can understand that x value has been updated to 11, right? Now can we do the same thing for y? I want to do the same thing for y. Is it possible? Let's see. It is giving an error. What is the error? The error, it says that increment of read only variable y, and because we are incrementing the value of y, or you just see we are updating the value of y, it is not allowed. Why it is not allowed? Because we made the y as a constant variable. Okay, this is of different type of variable, right? Variable means the value should vary, but once we make any variable as constant, it means that the value is not going to change. The value of that particular constant is not going to change, right? This is a simple const keyword. Now